Hi, I am Sunil Kumar. This video I am preparing for educational purpose only. Here I have prepared one grid. Here NIFTY trend, VIX trend we can see here. With the help of NIFTY and VIX trends, we can make option strategies, especially vertical. What do you mean by vertical option spreads? In this type, same expiry strikes we are using two leg strategies. These strategies are very helpful to have consistent income monthly wise. For ease of understanding, I have created this grid. With this help of this grid, today's scenario, we will execute one option spread with this help. First we will see the NIFTY trend, and after that we will find VIX trend. So for that one we will go for chart. I am opening Zerodha Kite platform. I am opening NIFTY July future chart. I have saved this chart in day mode. In this chart, I have plotted Bollinger Bands, ATR trailing stop loss, and super trend. In downside, RSI and ADX. Here it's clearly visible that super trend and ATR trailing stop loss lines are below present closing price. RSI also above 55. It's nearing 60. In ADX indicator, DI positive line is, that is green line, is above DI negative line. This is red line. So with this chart, we can reasonably understand the trend of NIFTY for short term, at least for a week. Same thing we will do. We will find the chart. We will find in charting platform. We will find the fixed trend also. So now I will open VIX trend. VIX today it's 29.12. We will see the trend of VIX. In VIX, number is not important, trend is important. In this volatile scenario, even before we used to think that 25 to 30 is VIX is in higher number, but recently VIX went up to 75 to 80, all the way from 10. In this type of environments, creating option strategies, that too verticals, for earning consistent income is very difficult. So to execute the vertical spreads, finding the VIX trend is very important. That may be VIX may be increasing, VIX may be decreasing. For that one, respective strategies we will execute. At present scenario, we found that NIFTY is in reasonable positive trend by seeing the super trend, ATR trailing stop losses, and RSI, even ADX. Same thing we will see in India VIX also in day chart. See here, RSI is 39, it's clearly negative sign for VIX, and ADX also, ADX negative line is upper, that is red line is above the green line, it is negative sign for VIX, that is VIX is decreasing mode, and ATR trailing stop loss and super trend also is above the closing price of the VIX. See the trend, almost it's decreasing mode. So we have two scenarios, that is VIX is decreasing mode, NIFTY is increasing mode. So we will go back to the our grid. We will see. NIFTY is increasing mode, VIX is decreasing mode. So we need to execute bull put credit spread. That means selling option price is more than buying option price of put. Example, put is price is 100 rupees, we need to sell it. Put price is 82 rupees, we need to buy. This is credit strategy, bull put credit strategy. That means our view is underlying should be increasing. That means NIFTY has to increase by creating the bull put credit spread. So how to select the strikes, how to execute the put credit spread, now we will see. Now we will open option chain. In option chain, we need to select monthly strikes. We should not select weekly strikes. Monthly strikes are better. Here we will select 9,000 strike. It's in 41.4 rupees, and we will select 8,500 put for buying. Let's see in Opstra chart. We will open Opstra chart. In Opstra chart, we have opened strategy builder. We will select the strikes. 9,500 strike, July series. We need to sell. 9,000 strike. 9,000 strike. We need to sell. Yes. For hedging purpose, we need to purchase 8,500 put. It gives safety for our strategy to minimize the uneventful situations, losses. Here, let's see. Our probability of profit is 95%. It's very good probability of profit. Even our investing required and margin amount is around 37,000. Our profit above 8,980, that almost it's above 9,000. If it's Nifty closes above 9,000, we can get 1,500 rupees. That means present spot price is 10,300, almost like that, 10,300. So break even is 9,000, almost 1,300 points leeway space is present. So is it so? Below 9,000 only we will get the loss. Don't fear about maximum loss what this chart is showing. See the probability of profit. It's a huge. Okay. Even though in any black swan events, at that time we will keep the stop loss at 9,000 Nifty. As soon as Nifty reaches 9,000, we will exit the strategy with whatever profit or whatever loss. By doing this consistently, we will earn the regular profits from this type of strategies by using our grid. See here, Here, what we are investing here, 37,000, make it 40,000. For 40,000 for a month, we are able to collect 1500 rupees. That means almost more than 4%. It's a almost 4 rupees interest. That means 48% annualized interest. It's a huge, but only risk is here if any black swan event happen. We need to square off our position, whatever loss we have. With this type of probability of profits, we can easily earn 1000 to 1500 rupees this type with this type of investments. That gives in long run very good returns to our capital. So selecting the vertical spreads in this today's scenario I have explained. If it is nifty trend is changing, it became another trend, we will discuss another vertical spread at that time. Thank you for patient hearing. Thank you.